CNC stock analysis and CNC stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade. Look, I'm the only guy in the space that's done this for 43,000 videos over 5 years, and I've seen what's printing and what's not. So especially with CNC, it just, you know, it's your typical bearish market, mate. Like, I'm not even trying to be that bad of a guy. It's just the truth, you know. It's melting hard. So there you go, these are the lows. With CNC, I have like one result in here, but there's really like nothing else that I would have. Like, it's just a bearish market. That's about it. Like, there's far better tickers that I would look at. Not everything's supposed to be traded. Another thing is going to go to zero. I'm just saying, for now, it's a bearish market, and that's all I have to kind of care about up until that point. So if you want my exact play picks, Discord, and blueprint to get to those 10K months, just click the first link in the description. It's absolutely risk free.